Welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com. It's Tuesday, July 22nd, and what a fabulous close. Powerful. They closed just about every index right on the high of the day. And most indexes have all new recovery highs. Where do you see these charts? And it's just beginning. The only one that didn't make a new recovery high is the NASDAQ, but I'm sure it will. The charts just look so good. I'll show them to you in our final segment. What else did we do today? I sold part of my position of CPSL. I can't help myself. These quick 12% profits, I didn't sell all of it because I know there's a lot more left in the stock, and if it pulls back to that support area, I'm going to buy it back. We bought Shuffle Master, and it handed us 10% profit before the day was out. And I've got a new idea tomorrow. So on the long side, obviously. So the stock for tomorrow is ABK. So in just a moment, I'm going to show you the chart. I'm going to show you how we're going to take this idea and turn it into some money. So don't go away. I will be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of ABK. Let's get a little better shot. Okay, this is a call on the long side. You're looking to buy the stock tomorrow morning between $2.37. That's where it closed, down to $2.15. Hopefully we get a little weakness in the morning. I don't want to have to chase this one. My target on the upside is this resistance area right here. It's $5.40. My stop loss would be $1.42. It's a close below here. Let me show you. A close below that probably would change it. It's not going to force me out of the market, but that would be my sell stop. And what do I see? Well, I see one of my old trusty ascending triangles again. They just keep proving to be excellent breakout patterns. That's part of the triangle, and there's the other part. And it looks like it's going to get ready to break out, or probably tomorrow. Hopefully, a little weakness in the morning will get us into the stock. This stock traded over 9 million shares today, so this is very, very liquid. Very liquid. So let me recap this. This is ABK. This is a call on the long side, and I think we can make $3 on this trade. Okay, let's take a look at Shuffle Master, the stock we bought this morning. Good looking chart. I got into it at $4.35. Let's remind everybody why we bought it and why we like it. It's this ascending triangle, and we got our breakout today. And we stuck our nose through it once before, but we didn't close above it. Now we closed above it, and we closed on the high of the day. Now this whole area right here is going to be support, so any pullback will be contained above this, and I believe we're going to work our way up to target up here at $7.80. Okay, so let's take a look at the major indexes because they're just shaping up so well. This was some bottom. The Dow, a new recovery high. I had a question from one of my readers. What do I mean when I say a new recovery high? Okay, actually what's happening here is we're recovering from this big sell-off. This is a recovery. So every time they go higher from the last day, that's called a new recovery high. And I'll be saying that all the way up, because they pull back they may pull back for a day or two, and then they break out again. That would be a recovery, new recovery high. So that's what I mean when I refer to it a new recovery high. You'll see them in just about all of them. Okay, we're going to raise our support level up. This is now our support level, official support level. Let's take a look at the transportation average. Look at these. Close right on the high of the day. Big push. And as I said, these are the leaders. For some reason or other, these transportation averages always lead the way. This is now our support area right there. Any pullback into this area is a buy. Russell 2000. Look at these go. They look just like the transportation average. Outstanding. Close right on the high of the day. This is also a new recovery high because it's higher than this last high. And I'm almost going to say that the new support area is right there. Standard & Poor's 500. They were lagging, but now they also have a new recovery high. Support right in here. As this moves higher, we will raise the support area as this moves higher, we'll raise this. In other words, if it gets up into here, then this top is going to be support. But as of right now, I've got to stay with this support area right there. And the QQQs, even though they closed right on the high of the day, just like all the other indexes, they did not have a new recovery high. But what's interesting about these is there's the support area, and it's amazing how it got right to it and rallied off of it. Technical analysis, I'm telling you, people who don't believe in it, they need to watch this for a while. Anyway, I do believe that this is part of the right shoulder that's being formed of this reverse head and shoulders. This is the left shoulder, and we're still forming the right shoulder. We may bounce around here for another day or two, or we may start right up again. But this is the resistance that we're going to get through, and this is going to turn into support right there. I would be very surprised if we didn't get through that in the next couple of days. Okay, so that's my view of the market. Until tomorrow, TK signing off.